Hello, friends. Welcome to Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4Hana, and this is Anirban here. And today we are going to discuss about how to create a customer master. That would be an end user video. So with that, let's start sharing our screen. Just give me a moment, please. Yes, and this would be the 40th video. So I'll start sharing the screen. I hope you can see the screen. And yes, as I was telling that this is the 40th video of SAP S4HANA FICO module, and we are going to do a creation of customer master data end user. All right. So as I mentioned before that FD01 is or XD01 or FD01 which used to use before in ECC has become obsolete, and the moment you click FD01 or XD01 either through menu path or in the T as a T code, you will be directed to BP screen, right? uh, and we have discussed the structure as well before that. First the BP role would be 000 000, where you will be creating the general data, and then for the company code data you have to go to this code, FLCU 00, which will be where you can enter the company code data, and FLCU 01 where you can enter the sales and distribution data. All right. So what we should do is that today we are going to create this general data and the company code data. We are not going to do this. We are going to do in a subsequent sales and distribution data. We are going to do in a subsequent video. So, and also I'm going to show you that this BP role in my SAP, it is not showing up as 000 000. So I looked into the BP role in SAP and I saw that the descriptions were showing up. The description, corresponding description for 000 000 is business partner, and FLCU 00 is FI customer. Okay, I'll show you how to find that out in case if you are working in some module where the names are not showing instead of descriptions are showing. You have no way to find out how to which role, VP role corresponds to what description. Then you can go to that screen and find that out. I'll show you how to do it. All right. So with that, let me go to log into SAP. So this is SAP S4HANA 2020 version. All right, and then I am in SAP Easy Access screen where I'll be going to accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, sorry, accounts receivable, master data, and if you see FD01, you can create. There is also if you can create centrally by going to logistics, and then sales and distribution, master data, and business partner, customer, create, and this is XD01. So XD01 we are not going to do today. We are going to do only FD01. So I'm going to keep it here, keep it like this, and I'm going to do FD01. So moment you click FD01, it will give a prompt here that FD01 is obsolete, and you will be redirected to BP screen, business partner screen. So I'm clicking here. See, redirecting to transaction BP business partner as the FD01 is obsolete. So we are going to create this as a corporate customer. So we will click on organization. Now, ideally you are expected to see 000 000 here. Instead, you are seeing the description and you don't know exactly what is corresponding to 000 000. So what you should do is that you open another session, and this one you won't be able to access unless you have an access to SPRO. So our end user usually won't be able to access this. Ideally, as an end user, what you have to do is that you have to get in touch with your system admin and ask them to put the BP roles here or the grouping names here, right? The grouping names are not reflecting here. The description is reflecting here. Since I have actually done this grouping, so I know what I mean. What description corresponds to which name. I can refer to the blueprint, but I didn't configure this BP role. It has come as a part of the database to me. So I don't know exactly in my blueprint. I won't be knowing what blueprint name description corresponding to 000 000. So what I have to do is that I have to open another session. I'll go to SPRD. I'll go to SAP reference IMG. I'll go to cross application components, and then I'm going to go to ACP business partner. Then I'm going to go to business partner, basic settings, business partner roles. See here, business partner roles. This business partner role. So this you are going to see. So you click on define business partner role, and if you see 000 000 is your business partner general. Also, if you go, if you want to find out for your I mean company code data, what role you would need. So it is you should be needing FLCU 00 where you can create a FI customer master data, which is a company code data. So FLCU 00. If you go to position and if you click on FLCU 00, hit enter. See here FLCU 00 is FI customer. So you will, I have mentioned it here, but this is the way you can find out what is the corresponding description. If it is not showing up, usually it will show up. If it doesn't show up, then through the description you can find out. And if you are an end user in a real life environment, then you have to get in touch with your backend support team to ensure that the names are actually reflecting along with the description. Okay, so I go back here and I will select first the business partner general, and I will create, and then I will select. If you remember that I have selected a group. The group is local customer, VP master local customer. Look into my blueprint once. This blueprint. So if you see BL, so BL stands for sorry, just give me a moment. So accounting group. All right. So your local group, I have actually done BPGL. So ideally it should show BPGL, but it is showing this one, BP Master Local Customer. So if you go back, you will see BP Master Local Customer. So this is basically it should show BPGL, BP Master Local Customer, but it is showing BP, the description only BP Master Local Customer, since I have configured, so I know. So this is a new database. So yeah, this is how it is showing up here, 2020 version. Then let's give a company name. So customer name is so let's give a customer name EFGH Finance. Okay, EFGH Finance. So I will name it EFGH Finance. Search term is EFGH. Second is FINNC Finance. And then street number is 1234. Postal code, Manchester. Let me see. M1IN, and I give Manchester, and country is GB. Great Britain, and then I select the language English, and then I check for the error. It says that the data of business partner is error free. There are several other tabs you can explore, and depending upon the requirement, you can update this. As of now, I'm keeping everything like this. I'm not updating it because they are not mandatory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. It's taking some time. Yes. So if you see, this business partner has been created. So I'll copy this and I go to my blueprint and I save this. Okay. Now I'll save this, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go and try to update the company code data. If I don't like this, I don't need this, I can simply click here and close this. Now after that I have to see this is the general data, and then I have to go to update the company code data. So what I'll do is that I have to click on this one, switch between display and change. So now I will, this is display organization. I'm going to go to the change. I click there here and you see that the change organization has come. Now what I'll do is that I'm going to select change the role, and as I mentioned that it should be corresponding to FLCU00 is FI customer. So I go here and I select FI customer, FI customer. Okay. Now with that, and now if you go to this customer general data, you see this AGCL, local customer LNKG1 has been selected already, accounting group. So if you should see, look into the blueprint, right? If you look into the blueprint, AGCL. So AGCL local customer for LNKG1, this has been selected. Okay, so this has been already been picked up. I didn't populate it, system has picked it up. Now I go to the company code tab, sorry, and I have to populate the company code. So our company code is HKNM, which is Hakuna Matata. Okay, and then I hit enter. So if you see that the reconciliation account is a mandatory field, and we have already configured the reconciliation account. So I have to go to my blueprint and see what is my reconciliation account number. So I have to scroll up, and somewhere you should be able to see the reconciliation account, which is 150000. So you paste it here and hit enter. All right, and then I'll go to the customer payment transaction. So payment terms and all we are going to populate in our successive video once we talk about the payment terms. Payment method, I will go and I will select E from here. Customer correspondences and all those stuff, dunning procedure, when we would be talking about the dunning, we would be populating all this. And all the other things, like we would be have to populate as per the business requirement. If we need to block posting or mark anything for deletion, this is the tab which we can do. Block the posting at all company codes or selected company codes for this particular customer, or we can mark them, flag them off for deletion. So that's it more or less that we usually do. And then we check for the errors here. So it says that the data for business partner is error free. So we can go ahead and post this. Changes has been saved, and you see that the customer number has been generated. So all this time it was showing internal, external. sorry, internal. All this while it was showing internal, because if you remember that we have selected a number range as internal type, and we have taken the sixth series, selected a sixth series number range for a local customer. So since we were didn't save it, so it was showing internal a little while back. Now since we saved it, it is generated internally. It has generated a number which is 60003. So which I'm going to now go and put it in our blueprint for our future reference. Now we can use this customer which we have just now posted at a company code level, um, for all kinds of future postings, right? So today we have like updated the general data and the company code. While in our future videos we will be talking about integration of FI with SD. Then we would be also populating the sales data, the sales organization data or sales and distribution data for our customer. But as of now, for this video, it is we only will talk about general data and the company code data. So that's about creating a customer master as an end user. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please click on the like icon. And if you and you share it with all your friends, and if you are yet to subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.